Hi you guys! Guess what? I just received this gift box from Colourpop. Yes, you heard me right. Opening it up. We have this pamphlet here that says special delivery from us to you. Oh my god, this is so touching. Thank you so much, Colourpop. I'll try to post this note in my community tab YouTube. Alright, by the way, I had already opened this, but I'm just doing this to show you guys, to share my happiness with you all. That caught my attention was this. I have been contemplating so much for the last 10 years if I need to buy a cap for myself in black or in blue or in white and whatnot. Completely in love with this. Let me just wear it and show you guys. Oh wow. The next product we have is another cute one. This is a pair of socks and look at that, it has the brand name Colourpop stitched on it and it's in white and red. Oh my god, it is super cute. Let me wear it and show you. We will quickly go through all the other makeup products that we have in this box. The first and the foremost is this. It's actually not the first, it's the third product from this gift box. It is the Going Coconuts Pressed Powder Palette. The one pan that got broken was this one. It is a shimmer shade and the name of the shade is Palm Reader. I mean, it's a palette with new tones and I'm sure it's going to be complimenting. We have here is the Pressed Powder Blush. The name of the shade is Flamingo and this is how it looks like. I hope you can now see the shade. That's how the swatch looks. I'll show it to you on my face how it looks. Okay, it looks pretty on me. Should I now have to take off the hat to the next product? We have this lippy pencil and the name of the shade is, wait, BFF. It's a nude shade lippy pencil. It's a beautiful nude color, right? We have last two products in this box. So this one is a Super Shock Shadow, which Colourpop is famous for. The name of the shade is Ritz. It's an ultra glitter Super Shock Shadow. Let me just apply this at the top of my eyelids and show it to you. I don't know if you guys, oh my god, it's so pretty. I just applied very little, less is more as far as this product is concerned, and look how pretty that looks. Oh my Colourpop, you guys are insane as far as the Super Shock shadows are concerned. Look at that. Last but not the least is this Luxe Lip Oil, which is one of my all-time favorites from Colourpop products. The name of the shade is Skinny Dip. I think this is the third one in Skinny Dip that I own from the Luxe Lip Oil collection from Colourpop. Now this is how the shade looks. I'm just going to apply a little of this and not go directly on my lips. I'm just going to use my finger. So that's how the product looks. Oh, that's pretty much. I hope you enjoyed watching this little unboxing. Thank you so much, Colourpop, once again for giving me this beautiful, amazing holiday set gift. Thank you.